So go to Google, write Python online compiler like this. Okay. After that, see the link you have to open. That is online GDB. Online Python compiler. This one, online GDB. Okay. So click on here. So this is the compiler that I will use. So in the last class we did operators, that is arithmetic operators, then logical operators, then comparison and relational operators we did in the last class. So what are operators? You know, arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication. So I am showing one program, okay, because you are new. So first what I have to do, I have to declare a variable. Suppose it may be x, okay. Then I will assign a value here. Again I am declaring another variable. I am assigning a different value there. After that I will write a print statement. If I don't write the print statement, what will happen? I will not be able to see
The
the
output.
output of, yes, output of my program. That's it. I am writing x plus y. So I will run C70. I got the output. Okay, very simple. With another process I can do, I can define another variable. There I can write x plus y. Okay, and in the print statement I will write say z. That means this variable yz, because I assigned x plus y the operation within z. Okay, so I will run this same output I will be getting here, that is 70. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly I
Yes,
can
sir.
do subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operators. So please practice this in your home. After that I will be, suppose now comparison and relational operator I will use here. So again I am declaring two variables. Now I will write print.
Y minus x.
No, I am not doing arithmetic operation. Okay, now I am doing comparison and relational operators, that are greater than sign, less than sign, equal sign, not equal sign. These four. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X greater than y. I wrote x greater than y. So what will be my output? It is correct or not?
False. False.
False.
Mm-hmm.
False.
False. If I give less than, sorry, less than,
True.
True.
true. Very simple. This is known as relational and comparison. If I give, so in programming language, when I will check equality condition, I have to give double equal sign. Okay. So what will be this?
False.
False, because they are not equal with each other. They have different value. If I give not equal sign, so how in programming language I will give not equal sign?
Um.
Exclamation equal. Okay, remember this thing. Exclamation equal means not equal. Okay, in not only in Python, in every programming language. Now I will run, it will be true because both the value are different. Very simple. Clear? So these are known
Yes,
as
sir.
comparison and relational operator. Okay. Now the last is logical operator. Now I will declare one variable. I am writing print. So logical, so we have three logical operator.
And or and not.
Yes, and or
And
and
not.
not. And or and not. Okay. So first I will write, anyone joined. Okay. So first I will write, that is x greater than uh what can I write? 5. So now 10. Suppose 10. Okay. And I will write x less than 25. So what I wrote here, x greater than 10. That means this condition is correct. X is 20. That means x is greater than 10. and this condition is also correct, that is x less than 25, right?
Final result will be true.
Yes, correct.
Yes, finally it will be true. Okay, this is for and. Suppose now if I change one condition, suppose if I give here as a 19, that means see, one condition is correct, x greater than 10, this condition is satisfied, that means this condition is correct, but this condition is not correct because my value is not less than 19. So what will happen here?
False. Result will be false.
Why false? Because and always
One
consider both.
condition is true
False.
and second condition is false.
Yes, because and always consider both the condition at the same time. That means when you will write this and, it will check both the condition, both. Okay. If one condition is not satisfied, then it will be error or it will be false, whatever. So and always consider both the condition. Now come to or. So if I replace this with or,
True.
see, in or one condition is correct and another condition is wrong. So it will give you true. Why?
True.
True.
Or means or, only one. If one condition is correct, it will be okay. So if I give two condition correct, then it will be also true.
Yes, sir.
Same. Okay, clear. Now the last one is not. Not means the complementary of and or. That means if I put not before and, then what will happen? If my and output is false, then suppose
It will
consider,
print true.
yes, that means the complementary one. Okay. So I am so this is, if I run this program, so I am getting true. So if I put a not here, let's see what happens.
True.
I put a not. So it will be false. See, the complementary one. Okay. If I put, now I am removing this not. Now let's see. If I put and here, and now and will be what? If I increase the value, 1. Now both the condition is correct. So and will be true.
Yes.
So if I put not in this statement, again it will be false because the complementary of the output. That means the opposite one. See, it will be
False.
false. Okay,
False.
clear, clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are the operators. Okay, that means the first topic of every programming language, not only for Python, every programming language we have to face this thing. That is operators, that is arithmetic operators, relational and comparison operators, and logical operators. So these are the practical usage of operators. We have bitwise operator also, but they are sometimes we cannot consider as a practical implement of that. So when we will use some topics on that, then I will explain you about that thing. So now today we will start with string. String. Okay. So what is string? Can anyone explain me?
String means algebraic value. That means education is a string.
Why you tell it as a algebraic value? Why algebraic?
Sorry, sorry. Algebraic means alphabet. Alphabet.
Yes, alphabet, not algebraic. So in programming language, we have three values. One is integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are integers. Second one is decimal, 1.2, 2.24. These are decimals. And the third one is string. String means alphabet, word. That means my name, your name. Okay, so these are string. So same thing, in the previous programs you saw that I took a variable and I assign integer value to that variable. Now I will declare a same variable. Suppose x. Here I will assign string value. So when you will be assigning string value, always you have to use this double inverted comma. Okay. So I am considering anyone's name Navita. Okay, so first Navita. Okay. So I will write a print statement. Print x. Let's run.
Navita.
Result
Navita.
will be Navita.
Yeah, result. Another thing I can also do, I am commenting this out. No, I will not comment. Let's move to another thing. I also can calculate the length. It means
Five.
what will be the length? Can anyone tell me?
Five.
Let me calculate. One, two, three, four, five,
6.
6. No, 5. No, it will be
Five.
6. I told you in the previous day. So when I will calculate the length, the total length of my string, what will happen? It starts from 1. Clear? But when I will access one word, alphabet, or one
Yes.
letter from my string,
Yes.
then it will start from 0. Okay, so let see what is the output. 6. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
question? Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what I will do? I will do one interesting thing. Now I will access one item here. So tell me what which item I will access from this Navita. Tell me. I okay. I then I will write xy because my variable name. Then I will open my third bracket.
Three.
Then I to
Three.
0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. See I. Okay. That means when I will access one item from my string, then I have to use or I have to calculate from 0. The first word will or first letter or first item will be 0. Okay. But when I calculate the total thing, it will be start from 1. Clear? Now the
Yes,
next one.
sir.
Now let's do see now our new program. Let me check one thing. Uh, Navita and Anushka. Okay, Anushka. Okay. I wrote here Navita and Anushka. So what will so in one variable I take two things. Okay. So let's see what happens here. I will use one thing. Okay. So now listen. What it is going on here? That means if I use this strip, okay, if I use this strip method, what is happens?
The gap will not come.
Yes, that means it will removes a white space. Suppose from the end, not from the middle. Suppose if I give two white space or one a white space in my end, that means this one, this total space. Okay. So now I will run. See, it has been deleted. Okay. So that means
No,
strip
sir.
method. This strip, just note it down, everyone. This is a method. So and listen one thing carefully. When you will be defining a method, always you have to give this first bracket open and close. In the lane method, you also use that first bracket open close, and there you wrote x because every method, this is the symbol of method in programming. Every method and every function consists of this first bracket open and close. Sometimes we can write something inside this in many cases, but you have to write this first bracket open and close. This is the symbol of method or function in programming. Okay. So what strip method do? Strip method removes white space from the end. Okay. So remember this
Yes.
thing. Please note it down. So this one. Now what will be our next topic? That will be a very interesting thing. So let's do. I am deleting. Okay. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now what I will do? I will make this in capital. Let's do it. Okay. So what I will do? I wrote all the words in capital. Okay, all the letter in capital. So what I will do? I will write a method. That is, suppose I am writing here x dot lower, LOWER. What I have to do
Yes,
again,
sir.
same thing, first bracket open close, because this is also a method, inbuilt method. So here what will happen? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
See, small. That means this lower method or lower function converts the capital into lower one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will do the reverse thing. See, I am copying the output. I will paste it here. Oh, sorry. I have to write. Done. Now I will use upper, the complementary or the reverse one. Okay. See.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So upper and lower string method used to convert the number or the alphabet or the word into upper and in smaller. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Now we will do a different thing. Now x equal Navita Anushka is okay. Fine. Now what we will do? Let's do it. In print, now I will write a replace program. So what I will do? X is my variable, that is x dot replace. I will use here replace method. Replace. Again I will open this bracket, and here what I will write? Suppose I am giving this n in capital. Okay, it looks better. In capital. Yeah. So what I will do? Replace. Here I will replace something. So I am giving here as a n, because I will replace n with what? See, you have to write like this here. Suppose, can anyone tell me which item I will replace with n? Anything, any alphabet.
A.
S S.
Okay, fine. Yes. Then I will close the print bracket. Let's see. Savita, it replaced.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear.
Excuse me, sir.
What?
Sir, why the N which is in there, Anushka?
I cannot hear you. Please, your voice is cracking down. Please repeat it again.
Sir,
Huh.
why the N which is in Anushka didn't replace?
Because I wrote only n of Navita. Okay, I am removing Anushka from here. No issue. Only I am taking a Navita. That's it. Only I am replacing n with s. I can replace with anything. If I give M, done. You can, if I want to replace I, you can do it. Give I here, I. Give here J. I want to remove this I with J. Same thing. See, J. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
change multiple thing at in the same line. Okay. So clear with this replace?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, we can't change two alphabets. If there
No,
are
I
two
told you
words,
we cannot.
can't change.
I cannot use multiple thing in same line. Okay. Now string concatenation. String concatenation means string addition. I am taking another variable.
Sync.
Sorry.
Navita.
Simple. Yes, simple. Very simple. Like similar addition. Okay. Now I want a space here. How I will add?
So
Both
put space
plus with
between
comma.
y and plus.
Yes, sir. And yes.
Okay. X plus double
Yes.
quotation mark, within double quotation mark I am putting space, because listen one thing very carefully. Space is also considered as a string. Okay. This space is also a string.
Yes,
When you will
sir.
be putting the with in this double inverted comma, this space is also is a string. Then plus y, run. Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
simple, very simple. This is known as string concatenation. That means to concat two strings. Okay. Now what I will do, let so I am showing you one program. After that you have to do one program for me. So it is very simple. This method is known as format. Format, format. Okay. So I am deleting this one. I am taking one variable as a age, age. Because I am giving there 20. Anyone joined? I have to admit. Yeah, okay, fine. So I am taking one variable that is age, and I am assigning value as a 20. Okay. Now what I will take? I will take another variable, suppose x. There I will write within here y age, or no, I am writing like y name is Shonok. Okay, comma, and I am using this curly braces. Okay. Now let's see what happened. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Yeah, sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. No. So I am writing. I am putting curly braces, and now I will write the print statement. Print. What I will do? Please, anyone tell me what I will
Bracket
proceed here.
x
Okay. X.
X.
Then X
age
dot format.
age
Age.
format, sorry, format.
Yes, X, because I am using your format method. And after within format I will put another bracket, because this is a method also. Yes. In this bracket, what I will write? I will write age. This variable, this one. I will put it here. Now let's see what happened. See, my name is Shonak and I am 20. See, in this curly braces, my age value is printed here with this format method. So what format method do? Format method print the value of that variable in this curly braces. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Now it will be your turn. So listen to me very carefully. I am writing one thing. Declare a variable, suppose quantity. Okay, see my screen and write it. Quantity. It will be, okay, one variable will be quantity, another variable like item number for item. Okay, and another variable not like this way. Quantity you have to write like this way. Quantity equal something assign. Then in next line write item equal assign something. Then third line write price. Price will be okay. Price equal something. It is your choice really. After that, take another variable. Suppose x, y, z, whatever. There, write within this double inverted comma. I want curly braces. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Everyone finish this task.
Yes, sir.
Up to this, everyone. Okay, so I am proceeding. So write in the fourth variable, write I want curly braces. That means give curly brace. Then write pieces of item. Again give curly brace. For again give another curly braces. Rupees. Got it? Shall I repeat again?
No, sir.
So now do the program and show me the output.
Sir, can you please repeat the
Yes,
last
yes,
line?
yes. I want curly braces, pieces of item, again curly braces, for again curly braces, rupees. That means what it will be in curly braces, you have to put the quantity, item number, and price in three curly braces respectively. Do it. So, any question regarding string?
No, sir.
No,
Clear?
sir.
No, sir.
So, string finished. Okay. String finished. Now, the next topic, that is list. List. Python list. List. So, how a list works and how we can create a list, I will show you now. Again define a variable x, suppose equal, I will give third bracket. So for list we have to use this third bracket. Okay. So within this third bracket I will open double inverted comma and I am writing suppose apple, again comma, orange, again comma, guava, again comma, one. So I took four items. Okay, in my list. So that means in string, suppose, wait, listen to me very carefully. Suppose I am taking grapes as a string. Then what is my item here? G is my one item, R is my one item, A is my one item, P is my one item, E is my one item, and S is my one item. Okay? But
Yes,
in
sir.
list, what is my item? One item is my apple, orange is my another item, guava is my another item, and grapes is my another item. So what is the position of apple here?
0.
Orange 1, guava 2, grapes 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So if I access one item and if I want to find the position of one item, what will happen? See, I am giving 2
Guava.
Guava.
guava. Okay. Clear? Now I am giving right length. I am calculating the length. What will be the length?
5.
Hmm?
Sum of the length of all of the items in the list.
Yes, what will be the length? Tell me the length. Length of my list.
22.
No? Why 22? Why you are calculating this single item? Apple is one item, orange is one item, guava is one item, and grapes is one item. So let's see.
4.
4. Length is calculated from 1. It not from comes with 0. In previous string program I told you.
Yes, sir.
Same thing, same concept, but in string we calculate the words, but in list we will calculate the item as a word. Same thing, same concept. Okay?
So, sir, in string we will count with alphabets.
Because this thing is a string. This thing apple is a string, so I will calculate the word. But list is very big. This is list. So this is one item. Listen. If I have x equal apple, then apple is one item, p is one item, another p is one item, l is one item, and e is one item, right? In
Yes,
case
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
string, right? So in case of list, it will be one item will be apple, another item will be another. Suppose consider this as a, this as a p, l, and another item will be e. That's it. In list, it will be one item. Orange will be one item, guava will be one item, and grapes will be one item. That's it. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Any
sir.
any doubt? Please ask me. Because after that we have to go to tuples, then sets, then dictionary. So please clear the concept. Okay. Now the length I told you, length starts from one. So apple is one, orange is two, guava is three, grapes is four. So total length is 4. If I access one item, then what will be the value of apple? 0, orange 1, guava 2, grapes 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm. So what we will do now the next program. So now you know how to calculate the length and how to access one item from my list. Okay? Sure? Confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen one thing. I am showing you one thing. What is the position of apple?
0.
0.
0.
Orange is 1, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
if I go from this side, that means from this side, I start from this side, apple is 0, orange is 1. So leave it. If I suppose I am starting from this side, what will happen? What is the position of grapes?
3.
0.
0. 3. If you consider from here,
No.
then grapes will be 0. If I suppose I am starting from this side, I am starting from this side, this. So what is the position of grapes?
0.
-1.
Minus 1. Very good. Very good.
Sir,
Minus 1.
why? Why?
This is known as negative indexing. Negative. I am calculating from the backward side. So this is known as negative indexing.
Sir,
Okay.
but why minus 1 only?
Minus 1.
Because we are starting
So
from
back,
reverse.
reverse way. I am starting on the backward side. See, if I give minus 1 grapes, always we calculate from this way. Okay. So if I go from this way, that means on the backward or the downward side, then the position comes from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. If I give minus 4, let's see.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple. I give 0, then also apple. See? Okay. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
minus position means negative indexing. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Good. Now what I will do? Everyone is writing the program, right? All the programs.
Yes, sir.
Everything is the topic. That means list is the topic. In list I am writing all these subtopics, that is how to calculate the lengths, how to calculate the negative indexing. So these are also the topic of list. So please write all the programs in your copy or in your compiler, wherever you want. Okay. So now what I will do, so I have apple, orange, guava and grapes. Now I want to change this guava to pineapple. How will I do? I don't want to change it from here. I want to create this same list.
Place.
After yes, after creating this list I want to change. Then what I have to do?
Yes, sir. By using replace.
No replace. I will do like this way. Again I will define this variable, same variable, okay? X. What is the position of banana? Sorry, guava. Sorry, not banana, guava. What is
2.
the position? 2. Okay, give 2
2.
here. 2. Done. Now, to which item you want to replace?
Pineapple.
Okay,
Pineapple.
pineapple. Print X. Let's see. See, done. Apple, orange, pineapple, grapes. Guava is not there. So I change the item here in this second line. That means guava is changed with pineapple. That means
Sir,
this is known as
we can't
hmm
use replace here.
what?
Sir, does we can't use replace here?
No replace. Only this way.
Okay, sir.
So this is the program to replace one item in my existing list. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now let's do appending.
Sorry, sir.
Appending means append. Append. Append means adding. Okay. Now I have this list. Let's run this program. Let's see. A normal list. This list it is showing here. Now I have 4 items. I want to add another item. The 5th item I want to add. What will I do? Let's do it. Again write X here. X dot append. Write this method name and what is the function of this method. Write this in your copy. Remember this all the
Okay,
time.
sir.
Suppose I want to add banana. Banana. So that means X equal that my list apple, orange, guava, grapes. After that I wrote in the next line X, that means this variable X dot append. Append within bracket I wrote banana. Now
Banana
let's
will be added in the list.
yes. Now let's print x added banana added. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So that means when you will use this append method to add anything in your list, it will add in the last row. That means in the last item. See, banana is added in the last. Okay.
And sir, if we want to remove something,
Remove I will obviously tell you. Now, if I want to add in a particular position, then what will I do? Let's do it. So when I will use this append item will be added in the last one, last. Okay. But now I want to add in different place. Let's do it. So what I will write? I will write x dot insert. Okay. Insert. I will open bracket. Where you want to add this banana? Tell me. Apart from the
After
end.
orange. After
position.
orange.
After orange. That means 0, 1. That means 2. Position 2. Okay. So 2 comma, sorry, I pressed dot comma.
Banana.
Let's see. You want it here. That means after orange. Let's see. See. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means with this insert method and insert function, you can add anything in a particular position where you want to add in list. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to remove. So let's do that. Which item you want to remove? Tell me.
Guava.
Grab.
Okay, guava. Done. Deleted. Okay. That means with
Yes.
this remove function, you can remove anything. You have to give the specific name here. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
with another thing I can also delete. Let's do that. That means remove with this remove I can delete specific item by giving the specific item name. Okay. Now if I use pop, sorry. So x dot pop bracket open close print x. Let's see. Item is deleted from the end automatically. Okay, like append. Append adds the item in the last and pop delete the item from the last. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So pop also used to delete but from the last. Okay. Now I will show you another thing. Suppose if I use del x, then I will open this third bracket. Which item you want to delete?
Orange.
Orange. That means with this del, you have to give the index number 1. Sorry, 10. 1. Let's see. Orange deleted. That means in remove, you have to write the name. You have to write the specific name. In del, you have to give the specific index number of the item which you want to remove. And in pop, automatically the last item will be removed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the last one, suppose I created a list, that is, if I use x dot clear bracket open close, then what will happen? All the total list delete. Okay, total list delete if you use this clear method or function. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. If you use clear, then my total list will be deleted. Okay. Now, what we will do now? We will make a copy of list. Okay. Suppose I wrote x equal, I created a list in x variable. Now I am defining another variable y, and I am writing y equal x dot copy bracket open close. After that, in print statement, what I will write?
Y.
Okay, y. So that means now what will happen? I created list in x variable, and in second line I declared this y variable, and here I wrote x dot copy. That means this version of x list is copied in my y version. Now I am printing y. Let's see what happened. See, y got the list. That means a copy of list is presented in y now. Same thing. So that means this way we can make a copy of a list. Okay.
Yes.
By another thing we can also make a copy. Let's do that now. So copy have two syntax. With this copy method I can also copy, and another thing I can also use to do copy. Means y equal list list. Then I will write x within this bracket.
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Again automatically this list method helps to copy. Okay, why same thing. In the previous program I used copy, and here I use list. Same thing, same operation. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the last topic of list, that is to join the two list. Let's see.
Nested list.
What?
Nested
No,
list.
no, not nested. Joining of two list. Suppose here I am giving mango, then banana. Sorry. Then
Strawberry.
okay. Apple, in the first variable I created a list of apple, orange, guava, grapes. Second variable I created a list of mango, banana, blackcurrant, and strawberry. So if I write here,
X plus Y.
okay, see, joint list. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Yes, sir.
I can also make heterogeneous list. These are homogeneous, that means same. If I create integer list, that means 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, I put dot, sorry, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4. Now let's run. See, heterogeneous, string and integer mixed up. That means this type of thing I can also do. Okay. Clear? So any question? Any question? Any question from your side?
No, sir.
So got about list, string, operators, these three topics clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question, anybody?